Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this no command problem in your Motorola smartphone. You can see screen is not working, your power button is not working, all buttons are not working. So how you can fix it? So let's start the video, friends. As you can see, this is the problem. This is the repairing the device. Right now in repair mode, you have to press all three buttons, or you can just simply press this power button. If it does not work, you have to press all three buttons continuously at the same time, so it will fix your smartphone. So I am just pressing only power button, and you can see it is restarting the device. It means it is opening now, right now. And friends, as you can see, the phone is now open and the no command problem will be fixed now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.